So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in run, click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to type in %temp% and then click on enter. And then once you're on this, you want to delete everything in this folder. So you want to do Control A and then click on delete, which is going to delete everything, if not most things, in this folder. If you get this where it says this action cannot be completed, you want to click on do this for all current items and then click on try again. If it comes up again, now you want to click on cancel. You want to delete most, if not all, items in this folder. And now for the next step, you just want to right click anywhere in this folder on the white space. Now you want to click on properties. And now once this comes up, you want to click on security. And now you want to click on edit. And now once you're on this, you want to click on add. And now once this comes up, you want to type in your username for your account. If you don't know it, you want to click right here on your C drive. Now you want to click on users, and it's going to be showing your username right here. Mine is Speedy Tutorials, so I'm just going to go back to here, and I'm going to write my username right here, Speedy space Tutorials, and now you want to click on check names, which should now underline your username. Now you want to click on OK. Now you want to click on your profile account. Make sure that you have allow full control selected. You want to tick the box right here and then click on OK. Now you want to click on OK again, and then the problem should be fixed. You should now be able to run your installer. If not, then just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.